welcome back to the 717 Diesel Addicts. We're back in the garage, back working on the projects. We're working on the '08 Power Stroke. If you can hear, sounds to me like something's running. We're gonna take a break from the Power Stroke. As you can see, the truck is pretty much done, minus the bodywork, still waiting on rear shocks. But we are working on the bed. Right now I got my new bed rails. Waiting for this paint to tack up so I can weld these in place. Then I'm going to paint the whole underside of the bed. Rip the bed side off, which has not been real fun. But that project's done, thank the Lord. And I have a feeling putting the new one on won't be as bad. I'll have a new bedside next week and new inner fender well. Then we're going to have to patch this up here. This was wrinkled up from the previous owner, but very fixable. Other than that, this side is mint. Just fix some dings and dents on the truck, bolt everything up, slap some paint on it, and we'll be ready to roll. We are going to be working on the Fox body. I've been anxious to start on this project, and I just feel as though it's time to dig into it a little bit. We're going to strip everything out of the rear here. As you can see, we got the water tank, got the fuel cell. I'm going to take the chute off, take the bulkhead out, and just get the rear end gutted, which I don't think is going to be real hard. As you can see, I didn't do any of this work, but none of this shit is really fastened to terribly well. So, and then we're going to also take the air-to-water intercooler out. I just want to get all this stuff out of the back here. And I think we're going to focus on putting the torque boxes and that in first. Also, we'll be pulling the motor out. Going to pull the motor out. We're going to chop the front end off, yay here, tubular front. Go over the motor, pull the heads. Paint everything up nice, try to patch up some of these holes in the firewall, and definitely redo that throttle bracket. And this is going to all look totally different next time you guys see it. Well, maybe not the next time you see it, but this is a big part of what we're doing on this project. And I have piles of parts over there. We'll go over that in another video because I got so many cool products sitting on the shelf. I've been storing up for this thing. I'm not done gathering parts, but we've made major headway on it. I am still waiting on the rear end, the axle housing that we have ordered 4 months ago, maybe. I don't know. At this point, I'm about fed up waiting for it, but I don't really have much of a choice. So anyway, we'll hop to it, get some tools together, walk around back, figure out what we're going to do to rip some of this stuff out of the back. I already have drained the nasty water out of here, but there's still some in there. I mean, this thing, for as fast as this car's supposedly been, there's like zip ties holding it together. So we're gonna do that, pull the fuel cell. Just, I don't know. I mean, really, everything needs out. We are basically going to start from a shell and put this car together. So it should be an awesome project, you know. Hoping I can teach you guys some stuff, learn some things along the way for myself. And we're just going to make this the baddest bitch on the road. So let's get to it. I think I'll be redoing this whole setup. I'm not really pleased with the way this looks or anything really. Got most of this cleaned out. Gonna get rid of this. That's gonna be it for the day. It's a little tight up in here, but we'll cut some of these rivets off and call her quits. Okay guys, well thanks for staying tuned. That's pretty much going to sum it up. We got the back of the car gutted out for the most part. Just a small start to the large project that we have. But I'm really excited about this. The next couple videos will probably be tear down videos of this. Maybe a little bit of action and body work on the truck. But stay tuned. Once this car's done, I promise you, we will have some racing action for you guys to check out. So, anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think of the videos. We want to make these better, make more people watch, get more people to watch them. So, we really appreciate it if you like, share, subscribe. So, until next time, we'll catch you later.